أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal. Today we are going to start when forgetting to recite the dua before eating. Before this dua, we learn the dua when we start to eat meal. So right now, if you forget to read dua before eating meal, let us start now. So I will read first. You should repeat after me. Very carefully listen and make sure to remember the rules. Okay. If you know the rules, you can read anywhere from the Quran. Now we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahi. Bismillahi. Awwalahu. We do not long any letter from the first three letters, but the last letter we long, right? Because there is a standing dhamma or inward dhamma which we long once again. Awwalahu. Awwalahu. Wa akhirahu. Wa akhirahu. And if we stop, we say wa akhirah. Whenever any letter has fatha, kasra, or dhamma, like zabar, zer, pesh, so you don't long there, right? If longing signs come, then long. Otherwise, don't long. Also, I am teaching to you Masnoon Duas, so very carefully listen where I am longing and why. What's the reason, right? If you know this, I hope you will correct a lot of mistakes from your reading. Now I read again. Bismillahi awwalahu wa akhirahu. Bismillahi awwalahu wa akhirahu. Bismillahi awwalahu wa akhirah. I hope you understand this dua, so you also practice now yourself, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Inshallah, see you in the next tutorial with another dua, after the meal, which dua we say. Stay tuned, take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.